17. All right. Hey, everybody. Today is Funky Friday, and I'm sporting a mullet, so enjoy. You're welcome. All right. Today, it's Funky Friday. I'm sporting a mullet, and we are going to get started today. We're going to learn some numbers. Are you ready? All right. I think that you are ready to learn some numbers. So get your feet ready. No, we're going to get our fingers ready. We're not going to get our feet ready. We're going to get our hands ready. All right, here are our numbers. There is some variations that I've seen with numbers. So I'm going to teach you what I've seen most commonly. If you're ever corrected in one of these areas, just know that, say thank you and take the note and move on. So hope you guys are enjoying my mullet. I hope you guys enjoy my numbers. So 0 is our first number, 0. Moving on, we're gonna face our hand towards us. This is our dominant hand, and we just put a finger for 1. 1, 2, 3. Yep, so 3 is here. 3, 4, 5, 6. We touch the 6th finger. So if we were counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Good job. Thumbs up. 10. Hey. So we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We touch the pinky. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so those are the first 10. Moving on, we have 11. 11 just comes up twice. 11, 12, 13. So this is like the 3, and then the 1 and the 2, like, come here. 13, 14, 15. So let's do that again. So 11 pops up twice, like 2 11s or like 2 1s. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 14, no thumb. 15, we're counting that thumb. Let's do that one more time. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now going into 16, 17, 18, 19, we're going to basically say 10 and then touch the 6th finger. So that's 10 and 6, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 15, we have 10 and 6. Yeah, 10 is like shaking, but when you're adding it to like 16, you just go like thumbs up. Thumb is facing the left. 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. 20 is like the chirping bird, 20. I've seen it face the side, and I've seen it face front, 20. So these are a little tricky. After 25, it's really easy till 100. You can count to 1,000,000, but the teens and the 20s are kind of the trickiest. So let me. So we have 20. Now 21 is L1. L1. 21. 21. 22, 22. So this is kind of like what I think all the numbers should be, but they don't want it to be confused with V. So 22, 22. Oh, I'm sorry, 21. I've seen it done this way, 21, 21. More commonly, it's just like a little gun. So 20, 21. So like the 20 is pointing at the 1. 21, 20, 21. 22 just bounces back and forth. 22, 22. 23, you just move the 3. So this is the symbol for 3, and then we're showing 23, 23. 24, 24, 24, and 25 is just the middle finger, 25. And that's just something you have to memorize, 25, 25. Yeah, so let's do 20. 21 Jump Street. Maybe there's a gun on 21 Jump Street. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. From here, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29, 29, and then 30 is 30, 30. Yeah, and then from here on out, it makes more sense to my brain. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. Yeah, so up till that point, it's a little, once you get past 25, I feel like you're home free. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 30. Yeah, sweet, good. So if you wanted to, sorry, my phone is slipping a little bit. It must be jealous of my beautiful mullet that it keeps falling. Just keeps wanting to like bow. It's like, oh, we love your mullet. We just love it. 30. So, and then 100, 1C, 100, 100. So if you were saying like 138, 100, you would just put 138. Awesome. 1,000 is just, just coming down. So you have 1,000. Million is twice. Million. Yeah. So, I'm sorry, it's the M hand. 1,000, 1,000, million. Excellent. 100, 1,000, million. Yeah, so let me see, what would the sign be for 236? 236, how would you sign that? 236. Let's do 617. 617. 617. 17. Yeah. So these are, have to take a second to get these in our bodies. If you're watching TV and you see a number, just start signing it and it will get into your body. If someone says a number, just kind of sign it with your hand and it will just start getting in your body quicker. If you're in a place where you can drive, I used to, in California, I would drive with my left hand and then practice finger spelling. Anytime I saw road signs, I would try to finger spell the sign before it passed me. And it's kind of like a video game trying to like, ooh, I want to get that exit sign. Or if you see those numbers, but a lot of times people get very comfortable with numbers and so they sign them really fast. And so it's really good for you to just take the time to learn them slowly if you need to. Just learn it slowly. Learn it slowly. All right, let's go on with some other concepts so that have to do with numbers and money. So if you're talking about fractions like 1/2, you would say 1/2 1/2. So you just lower. You're showing the top number of the fraction and the bottom. So 1/4. Show me 7/8. 7/8. Yeah, 7/8. 1/2. 1/2. 1/4. This is kind of similar to the sign that we learned for the Trinity, the 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Yeah, you're showing 3 up here. 3 and 1, the magic trick. But yeah, it faces our audience. So we have 3, 1/2, 1/2, 1/3. Yeah, one way I remember that this is 3 is because, well, this is 6, but it's also W. This is more 6. W is here. So instead of going 3 and adding one more sign that could be similar to W or 3, they just moved it over here. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Awesome. If you're talking about adding, the dominant hand comes and you add to the non-dominant hand. Yeah, so you're adding to that. Add. Multiply, we just cross. So this is a sign for math, 2 M's, and it comes across. Algebra, A. Calculus, C's. Geometry, G's. Statistics, S. Trigonometry, T. Yeah, so that's a sign for math. So that in those signs, the hands are kind of facing each other, math. If your hands are facing you, it's the sign for like multiply, arithmetic, calculate, estimate, figure. Yeah. So those are, if the signs are facing each other, it's like mathematics, algebra, calculus, geometry, statistics, trigonometry. To subtract, so this was add. We're adding, and then subtract, we're just pulling away from. You're subtracting. You're taking something away. So you're adding or you're subtracting. To divide, it's like the sign for egg. We hit it and then divide. Hit it and then divide. Yeah, divide. Egg was just 2 fingers, egg. Egg. Divide. Can you divide the egg? Yes. I can. I can divide the egg. Multiply, divide. To count, we just move up, count, like we're counting like a list, maybe something on an abacus, the beads, count. Oh, we're gonna count. Yeah, count. Awesome job, you guys. Going on to another number, if you're talking about first, second, third, fourth, fifth, the hand is like horizontal-ish and it just turns. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Like, how do we sign 10th? It gets a little confusing, so you do 10th, th. So 10th, 11th, th. Yeah, if you were talking about 22nd, nd. Yeah, 22nd, nd. 21st, 21, and then st, st, st. A little trick I had a friend teach me about. Oh, hi, Ivy. Oh, it's so fun to see everyone joining in. A little tip that I learned about finger spelling is rather than saying the letters, if you sound it out like you're reading, it really helps. So if you see someone do this, rather than thinking J, think J, jab, jab, jab. But if you can really assign the st, st with the sounds rather than the letters, it can help you sound out the finger spelling. So yeah, that was a little trick I learned. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. But yeah, and so on and so on. So if you're showing place, once, so once upon a time, once, twice, thrice, I don't know. But yeah, first, sorry, no, not first. This is first, second, third, once, twice. This is like a money sign to save or economize or to store. So right now, some people have saved a lot of toilet paper, the TP. They've saved a lot of that, or maybe they have stored it up to store, economize, or save. Save. So this was a sign for money. We hit it twice, money. Coins, we just draw a circle on our hand. There's a coin there. Coin. Cents. Cents or penny, we touch our forehead. So, a penny. Do you have a penny? Just like this, a little penny, a cent or penny. And if you're talking about a number, so you would say and 24 cents or 1 cent. So you'd say cent 1, cent 8. So this is 8 cents. 8 cents. But you want to, before you do the number, you point to your head. So we learned recently that when we point to our head, it can be the sign for thought or thinking, mind, things like that. But when it comes with a number after it, typically it's saying cents. So if someone said, how much is that? Oh, you're like, I'll put in my 2 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents. So if it was 21 cents, yeah, a penny for your thoughts. I love that. That's really clever. A penny for your thoughts. If we were doing 21 cents, 21 cents. Yeah. Nice job, you guys. $1, when you're talking about money, it starts facing the other person and then it comes to you. So $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. So if it's $17, $17. Yeah, so it would face them and then face you. So if you're saying $18. Yeah, so if something was $15, $15.15, we would say $15.15. Yeah, this is going to take some practice to get comfortable in our bodies with that. I think that's a great stopping point. Thank you for a Funky Friday with a mullet and glasses, and thank you for joining me for Funky Friday. We'll be back on Monday, learning some more numbers, money, and quantity. So that kind of, let me check. I think that's basically the number signs part of the lesson. And after this, we learn signs like to buy, deposit, something's expensive or cheap. So yeah, just tune in next week and we will continue 20 at 2. Have a funky Friday. Bye.